Hollyland Mars M1 Enhanced 3-in-1 Wireless Monitor, the missing all-in-one solution. You're shooting an interview. Camera locked on sticks, framed perfectly. You're sitting across from your subject, but you can't see what the lens actually sees. So you stand up, walk over to the camera, check the frame, adjust slightly, walk back, sit down. Your subject loses their flow. Their eyes drop. The energy shifts. You lose the moment. This happens 3 times in 10 minutes, and by the end of the session, you've bled credibility, energy, and the natural rhythm that makes interviews feel alive and authentic. Most filmmakers accept this reality. They call it normal. They call it part of the process. But there's a hidden cost most people never notice. Every interruption distances you from your subject and dilutes the authenticity you're chasing. Doesn't it feel like you're forever choosing between being a good operator and being truly present? That constant back and forth isn't just annoying or inconvenient. It's costing you time you'll never recover on tight production schedules. It's costing you money when clients notice the amateur dance between camera and subject and question your professionalism. It's draining your energy on brutal 12-hour shoot days where every single wasted movement compounds into bone-deep exhaustion by hour 9. And here's the part nobody talks about openly. It's quietly damaging your relationships with subjects who begin to feel like props instead of people, objects instead of collaborators. You feel it in your chest, that low-grade anxiety of never quite knowing if the shot is holding, if focus drifted half a stop, if exposure shifted when the afternoon light changed angles. It's suffocating in slow motion, frame by frame. Some filmmakers rig up separate wireless transmitters, then mount separate field monitors, then run HDMI cables between the two, then try to balance the entire Frankenstein setup on their camera rig. That works, until it doesn't. But change is closer than you think, and it doesn't require adding more gear to your kit.
This is where the Hollyland Mars M1 Enhanced enters, and everything changes. It's a wireless transmitter, a wireless receiver, and a professional 5.5-inch field monitor with HollyOS, all integrated into one single device, one compact unit. You mount it on your camera, set it to transmitter mode, and it instantly becomes your on-camera field monitor while simultaneously wirelessly sending the signal. You take a second Mars M1 Enhanced unit, set it to receiver mode, and suddenly you're holding a complete wireless director's monitor in your hands. No separate transmitter boxes, no separate receiver boxes, no interconnect cables snaking everywhere, no mounting chaos or balance nightmares. 4 quiet superpowers nobody's talking about enough. First, the HollyOS operating system gives you professional-grade waveform, vector scope, zebra patterns, false color, focus peaking, and anamorphic D-squeeze, monitoring tools that used to require standalone monitors costing twice as much. Second, it works with both SDI and HDMI inputs and outputs, so it connects seamlessly to everything from consumer mirrorless cameras to professional cinema camera rigs. Third, 450 feet wireless range with 80 millisecond ultra-low latency that genuinely feels real-time during live directing. Fourth, full cross-compatibility with the entire Hollyland Mars ecosystem. Pair it effortlessly with Mars 4K, Mars 400S Pro, Mars 2, or Mars 300 Pro units you might already own. I was shooting a high-stakes corporate interview in a glass-walled downtown conference room at 4 p.m. with harsh sunlight flooding in from 3 sides. I sat comfortably 15 feet from the camera, watching the live waveform on the Mars M1 Enhanced resting in my lap, calmly calling precise exposure tweaks to my assistant without moving a muscle. The subject never broke eye contact with me. The conversation flowed naturally. The vector scope confirmed skin tone stayed accurate and flattering as the golden hour light shifted moment by moment. And yes, I tested this myself extensively on a challenging 3-day documentary shoot in unpredictable conditions. Wait, that's allowed? One device doing 3 professional jobs without compromise or sacrifice? It is now. Immediate result the moment you unbox it. Your camera rig loses half a pound of dead weight and eliminates 3 separate cables the instant you replace your old transmitter plus monitor Frankenstein setup with one Mars M1 Enhanced. Weekly win that builds over time, you completely stop missing critical, unrepeatable moments because you're no longer physically tethered to the camera just to verify your shot is holding. Long-term freedom that transforms your career. You build a flexible, modular, scalable monitoring ecosystem where every single Mars M1 Enhanced unit you own can serve as either transmitter or receiver, depending on exactly what each specific shoot demands. One respected professional DP said, "The ability to buy 2 units and have a complete wireless video solution for both camera and director with full monitoring capabilities at both ends is incredibly cost-effective." A working documentary cinematographer noted, "Having vector scope and waveform on a device this compact is invaluable for maintaining color and exposure consistency in unpredictable natural lighting." According to detailed industry analysis, integrated systems combining wireless TX and RX functionality with comprehensive professional monitoring tools at this latency level typically require purchasing 3 entirely separate devices. One verified customer wrote, "My camera rig is so much cleaner and lighter now. The Holly OS interface is modern, intuitive, and easy to navigate even under pressure." I personally noticed this after 3 intensive weeks of daily use. My average on-location setup time dropped dramatically from 12 minutes down to under 4 because I completely eliminated an entire category of cables, mounts, and interconnects. Which of these benefits hits you hardest? Comment 1 for weight savings and rig simplification, 2 for monitoring tools and Holly OS, 3 for workflow speed and flexibility. The number one objection I hear constantly: all-in-one devices always compromise on quality to fit everything in. The Mars M1 Enhanced's Holly OS-powered waveform and vector scope are as clinically accurate as dedicated standalone professional monitors I've personally tested at literally double the price. And the wireless transmission link holds signals stronger and more reliably than competing systems built from separate components.
You already know exactly what it feels like to miss the unrepeatable shot because you are physically walking back to check the camera instead of staying present and watching your subject. The Hollyland Mars M1 Enhanced gives you professional wireless monitoring eyes at both ends of the signal, camera side and director side, with comprehensive professional tools built directly in and absolute zero cable clutter or rig complexity. Join the solo operators and small production crews who quietly upgraded their entire monitoring workflow and permanently stopped choosing between being present with their subject and being precise with their image. Link in the description, first one pinned to the top for instant access. You've been walking back to the camera long enough. It's time to stay fully in the moment and still see absolutely everything.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.